Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be unboxing some Travelers Company items and I can't wait to show you what I got. Thank you so much for joining me. I am so excited to show you some of the new items I got from Travelers Company. I have been actually using my standard size a lot, and then what I'm using inside there is the booklets from Sterling Ink. I'm not 100% sure I will continue with them because the paper is very thin. I don't know. I'm not really in love with it. And because previously I was using these booklets. Let me move this aside. These booklets for just, the undated. I used Sterling Ink vellum on here to decorate it. And I like that so much more. So I think I am going to actually go back to it because there's something with this booklet has a lot more heft to it or something. I am enjoying a lot more. I feel like the Sterling Ink Tomo River paper is fine. It's just that I don't know why. In this Travelers Company, I really am liking their booklets and the Midori paper and so forth. So recently there was an email from them that if you placed an order, they were going to give you a Travelers Company newsletter. And I never got one. I didn't realize that they had them at events, so I didn't see it when I went to the road trip event in San Francisco. It's possible it was out of stock. This is special issue 19, and it's all about their Tokyo Traveler's Notebook and travel, and I just love this for inspiration. I don't know. I just love getting booklets, even like from Traveler's Notebook or Hobonichi or even Erin Condren, where they have like newsletters and stuff. Yeah, I love reading it. And so there's a whole profile on this illustrator and artist and how they use Traveler's Notebooks, and I just find it super inspiring. So what I picked up was a very, very small order. They're in Southern California and I'm in Northern California, so it got here within a few days. I really wanted to get these leather tags. I did get the bear that I have right now on my passport, and I attached a clip on here, but I thought it would be cute to get this because I figured once it's sold out, I was going to really regret it. So I've seen some images on Instagram, people using this on their Traveler's Notebook, on their TNs, and I really liked it. So I can there's a big one and a small one, so I can put it anywhere. So I really wanted to get one of these. I feel like I'm just all of a sudden thrust in this Traveler's Notebook world, and I'm like trying to collect everything. And so it's been really fun. So I really wanted to get, I like the grid notebook, and I got a dot grid too, just as a backup to have. I really like using these. So like I said, let me just show you really quick. Right now in my standard, I've been taking this. I use this for like just notes, or like if I see something online and I write it down in here. It's been really nice. I use Stickers by Sterling Ink, and I just I used to subscribe to her subscription for stickers, and so I just kind of pre-decorated here, but I like it. I use my Esterbrook SD fine in here. It's just, I don't know what it is. Maybe I liked the Sterling Ink when it was a thicker notebook, when I had the B6 planner. I just feel like maybe this is too thin. I liked better doing notes in my in a grid notebook from Traveler's Notebook. So I think I'm going to go back to that, because you know what, I can come back to this if I want to, if I change my mind. So for March, I'm going to step things up and do that. And then similarly with, I'm not writing in here like this. I don't know what it is. I think the paper is too thin. I never did plan in the weeks section for my Sterling Ink. I'm just not enjoying it as much as I did when I was doing it in here, which I did always fill it out. So that's saying something to me. So I'm going to switch it out and go back to this, and I'm going to finish it up for, even though this was started in, when did I start this? September? I'll just continue it. I don't want to waste it, so I can just finish it up here. And I like this paper a lot, so I'm going to do that. So I'm really glad that I got a bunch of extra inserts to, because I think it'll be nice to like keep extra inserts on hand when I need it. So that's this, and this is just so cool to have. And I could totally like cut this out and do some like, collaging, memory keeping with this stuff. So I really like it. I think it's kind of fun to have. I feel like I'm really following down that Traveler's notebook rabbit hole. Okay, so what I did get is also traveler's notebook related. This was unplanned, but I went on the Blackwing site and I saw that they had the traveler's notebook collaboration in stock. So I decided to get it, even though I have no use for a new traveler's notebook. But if I didn't get it, I will regret it because I had planned on. Let me just take everything out first. Actually, that's my just one time. Okay, that's it. Let me move this aside. Okay, so I got the whole. I'll put this popcorn back. I haven't seen like popcorn styrofoam in a packaging in a long time. Okay, so this is everything, and I didn't realize that Blackwing is actually based in Stockton, California. So I basically ordered this, and it came within a day. So that was really nice. I got the full set. I have never used Blackwing pencils, so I'm excited to try it. I'm looking forward to, I don't know, just want to set this up. And I just think this notebook is so pretty. I remember at Stationery Fest, a friend came to me and she was like, she ended up getting this at the Travelers Company table. And it was so overwhelming, I forgot to go back to the table, so I never got it. And then the SF Pen Show happened, and I was planned on going, and I wanted to get this there as I had it. I ended up not going. My daughter wasn't feeling well, so I didn't go. And then when it was time for the road trip in November in San Francisco, they were already sold out. So they were sold out when they in Los Angeles in the Southern California one, so they didn't have it for San Francisco. So anyway, needless to say, I am really glad that I got it. So let's take a look. I love that it has the charm. It was pricey for the full set, but I'm really happy because they restocked this. I think it was back, I want to say late January this year. So I'll leave a link to it. I don't know if it's going to be sold out soon or not. I don't know how much they have in stock, but I'm really excited to have this cover. And you know what I thought? This is a great way to like, or let me just take it all out first before I start talking. I thought, well, you know what? I can always have a cover and I could always swap out my covers too. So it's kind of a nice collector's item. I really wanted to have, since I have the road trip one, I want the Blackwing one because it's just so different and I don't have a black cover. So I thought that was nice. So there's a little piece of paper that tells you everything in the set. And then it comes with the description paper. And then I love just the little like box and the gray elastic that you should keep. And there's more paper, and there's another extra elastic that's in black. That's cool. I'm going to take the gray one out to keep. And let's put this aside. Okay, so I love this muslin protector. In the beginning I was using this, I would always cover it back up, and now I don't anymore, and it's been pretty good. Wow. Oh, wow. It's really perfect. There's no scratches on it at all. And it's all black with this gold like foil on there. Blackwing collaborates with Travelers Company. It's just gorgeous. My goodness, I'm afraid I scratch with my nails. Okay. And so this is like with this like the same like blue gray elastic that's here. Or you can change it into a black one if you wanted to change the colors. And then inside, oh, it's protected. There is an insert inside with the pencils. It's so pretty. They used to sell these inserts individually, but they're sold out right now. But this is like a nice sketching insert. Oh, and they even put a protective thing here too. That's so great. So yeah. So it says here, Blackwing and Travelers Company, all here. And then that's cute with this one sharpened down to the end. So yeah, I'm excited for this. And this will be like also another chance to have my art journal. So I have had inserts, God, I don't even know when I bought this one. I want to say maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. This is like watercolor paper. So I thought that would be nice to put that sketchbook in here with this and just carry two. I might have to get the plastic holder in here. Yeah, I'll have to think about what I'm going to get else in here, but I think I'm going to add the watercolor in there, and this will be sort of like an art sketching journal. And yeah, I think this will be really cute and fun. I really like this a lot. This is so, I've never seen it in person really, so it's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, let's actually put this here. Let's take a look at the pencils. So the pencils, this is a special one created for the collaboration. So how many pencils are there? So there's 2. There's a lot of pencils in here. So I need to sharpen this, but the pencils are just like on the notebook. They say Blackwing X Travelers Company. Really nice. And the cool thing is, I think these erasers, I read that you can like pull them out. Oh yeah, that pulls out, so you can like replace it or like move it up the notches to use your eraser more. So I'm excited. I'm going to draw more. I've been doing stuff with some mechanical pencils, but maybe it's time to go back to real pencils in here. I think I read that like Charles Schultz used for, you know, for Snoopy and for Peanuts, used these pencils. And he's also from the Bay Area. So that's inspiring. I really love Snoopy. Kind of grew up with Snoopy. And so that's, yeah, I don't know. I think these days things are so, oh, that comes out like that. Things are so crazy in the world that it's nice to kind of just have some time to do some art and just to relax and to unwind. This box is really nice that holds the pencils. It's very soft, very luxe, I have to say. This entire collection, I mean, it was really worth the money. It's very luxe. So wait, let me get one pencil out because I think what this is, it's a point guard. So when you have your pencil sharpened, oops, sorry about that sound. You can just like cap it. So your pencil point won't poke through everything. So yeah, it's really cute. And then there's this Facebook group for Travelers Company that I'm a member of. And I saw like people, you know, they put their pencil with their, oh, this about the same size. They put their pencil with their traveler's notebook, and people have been using it as like a little art place. And I mean, I could even use it if I wanted to be my everyday journal as well. But yeah, I really just wanted to do it and just go for it because it was my last chance. And it's just so beautiful. I really love the leather. I just love the style. And then let's open up the little charm. It's a little pewter charm. So here's a charm with a little pencil as well. It's so cute. So you can just dangle it on here. So we'll have to like undo the notebook and then just place it on the, let's see if I can get this out here actually. Yeah, I can just place it on there. It's very cute. It's a cute pencil. I don't know. I thought it'd be nice to get some inspiration. And yeah, it's just really pretty. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'm so glad you could join me to check out my Travelers Company items. If you like stationery, Japanese stationery, planners, pens, and more, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'd love to have you part of the family. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next one. Bye.